What is up everybody, it's your girl Minimoss with another video planned for you guys this week. And by planned I mean very loosely planned. I don't really have that much of an idea of what I am wanting to do. I just realized I'm still wearing my glasses from this morning and now I'm really blind. Whoa. For those of you who wear glasses, you know the feeling I just got. So you guys would have seen what I was planning on doing in the earlier clip. So without further ado, we'll just jump straight into the eye makeup. Of course, as per usual, I'm going to just pop my hair back with a headband. Just to begin with, I'm just going to jump in with some eye primer. So I'm going to go in with the NYX eyeshadow base in the shade White. And I'm just going to apply that all over my lids just with my fingers. For the eye makeup itself, I'm going to jump in with the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette, which is this little one here. And just going in with a fluffy blending brush, I'm going to grab this shade here. And I'm just going to apply that all over my eyes, like into the crease and the lid, just as both a transition shade and a setting color. Then just going in with a tapered fluffy blending brush, I'm going to go in with this shade here, which is a cool tone brown, and I'm just going to apply that directly into my crease as a transition color. Then just going in with a slightly more dense pencil brush, I'm going to go in with this shade here. And I'm going to apply that into my crease, very slightly blending it out, making sure that that original color, the second color, is still visible. Taking that same tapered fluffy blending brush from before, I'm just going to go around the edges to make sure that is 100% buffed out, just using whatever products left from the brush from earlier. And with that same brush, I'm going to go in with this shade here, and I'm going to apply this into the creases of my eyes in a very controlled area. Sorry, I'm going through with that same tapered blending brush from before, and I'm just again blending around the edges very gently. Don't want to pull that up too high. Now I'm just going to jump into this palette, which I rarely use, but somehow it's still smashed. I think I just found the answer as to why it's still smashed. So I'm going to go in with, I don't know what it's called, there's no names on the colors, sorry. So I'm going to go in with this shade here. This used to be my old eyebrow color. Shout out to you guys who were here with me when I used this palette for my eyebrows. And I'm going to go in with a precision tapered blending brush, and I'm going to apply this into the outer half of my crease just to deepen it up a bit. It's looking a bit redder than I was wanting.
To be someone else.
Then again with that same tapered big fluffy blending brush from before, just going around those edges really slightly. I don't want to bring that up any higher than it is pretty much. Now I'm just going to cut my crease using the Maybelline Color Tattoo by Eye Studio 24 Hour eyeshadow in the shade 5 Too Cool, which is just a white shimmery shade.
We turn our backs, we can't help, we're gone. This is our identity.
Once that's done, I'm going to go in with, again, the same palette that we started with at the beginning, which is the Mauve of Obsessions by Huda Beauty, and I'm going to go in with this shade here with a dense pencil brush. I'm going to apply that over the top of where we just applied that shimmer product. I'm going to try doing it with my finger just because I want a little bit more color. Again, with that precision blending brush, I'm going to just tidy it up a little bit around the edges. Same deal, just cleaning up around the edges. Then just going in with the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Edition palette. I'm going to go in with Black Truffle, which was this one here. And I'm going to attempt to outline where the lid color ends. Just because I'm trying something a little bit different to what I usually do today. Then just very carefully blending that out with the precision blending brush. Then just going in with some glitter primer. I'm applying that onto my lids. So I'm doing one eye at a time. So I'm going to go in with the BYS glitter in white. And it's holographic as well, which I just realized, which is a good pick on my part. Then just going in with eyeliner, I'm just going to do a simple bar. Then finally going in with lashes, I'm going to just apply the Jade Lashes from Huda Beauty. Then quickly applying a little bit of mascara just to blend my natural lashes in. Once that's done, you are done with your eye makeup, so I'll jump away real quick and I will pop on my face and I'll come back with my contour, blush and highlight and all of that good stuff. So I'll see you guys in a sec. Bye. I'm back, and as you can see, everything is now on my face. My phone's got 4% battery, yay me. Seems to be a thing that happens to my phone when I record. Once my face is on and everything, I'm gonna go in with some eyeliner in my waterline. This is just the NYX pencil in black. Sorry, that was really difficult to do on frame. Then just jumping back into the mauve palette, I'm gonna grab this middle shade again, and I'm gonna smoke that out. Then just going in with some bronzer just to put some colour back into my face. I'm going to go in with the Cocoa Contour Chisel to Perfection palette, and just with a contouring, really big, dense, like fluffy contouring brush, I'm going to go in with the dark cocoa, which is this one here, and I'm just going to use that to warm up my cheeks. Then just with the brush that comes with the palette, I'm going to go in with the medium cocoa, which is this one here, and I'm going to use that to contour my cheeks, my jawline and my nose. Then just going in with some blush, I'm just going to jump in with the BH Cosmetics Nude Blush 10 Color Blush Palette, and I'm going to jump in with a mixture of this shade here and this shade here. Then just for highlighter, I'm going to go in with a pretty big blending brush and Jeffree Star's Skin Frost in Ice Cold, and I'm just going to highlight my cheeks, my nose, Cupid's bow, a little bit on my chin and just above my eyebrows. Also highlighting my brow bone. And finally, last but definitely not least, going in with lipstick, I'm just going to grab the BYS Long Wear lipstick in the shade Softer Side, and I'm just going to apply that to my lips as per usual. And there you have it, my lovelies. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please be sure to let me know down in the comments below. If you want to see more content like this and you haven't subscribed already, be sure to click that subscribe button as well as the little bell, just so that you get notifications for when I upload, which by the way is weekly every single Monday. I love you all so much, and this is Minimoss 16 out. Bye guys.